Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter PowerBoost full hybrid engine. Has four-wheel drive capabilities. We got dual exhaust in the back with a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, a hard folding tunnel cover with the tailgate step. We got the nice blacked out rims, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light spotlight indicated. We do get remote start on this vehicle with recovery hooks, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. You got a flat fold storage system. We got cup holders and storage, rear vents with a 12-volt USB-Cs, 120-volt, and a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, upgraded B&O sound system. We got our spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 31,852 kilometers. We got my view, trip and field, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. A leather-wrapped steering wheel with toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control. We do get a lovely collapsible gear select that should be going down, but it will. More storage here, cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets. We do get your center console with an interior work surface, perfect for your food, meals, laptops, paperwork. Totally up to you. More storage underneath. Dry modes with rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, coin slot, and Pro Trailer Assist. Dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12-volt, 120-volt, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got your Pro Power onboard just right here where you can turn it on or off. We do get a 360 view of the vehicle with different camera angles, park sensing, hazards, traction, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. Pretty cool to use. And we got our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls with navigation, little red dots showing your vehicle's bin. You can search recent saved, have different widgets open at the same time. We got your fave apps in here, such as messaging, email, Pro Power onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8409, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.